Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Your one stop for learning all the smart tricks which actually are required to crack the competitive exams. But talking about competitive exams, are we clear about the basic calculations? Do we know the tables? Even if you ask 100 people, how many of them know tables up to 20? Even 40-year-old, 50-year-old people will say, no, they don't know the tables. And the situation is worse when we talk about dodging tables. You know why? Because we fail to do one small visualization activity which has to be done to learn the tables and to master the dodging tables. And this is the beauty of our speed maths books. I always say to friends, we spend so much of money doing things which are of no use, but getting yourself this combo of books is really important. If you are a parent watching this, this minor investment of yours will go a long way in making your child very smart, calculate 10x faster, and try to be among those 1% people who crack the competitive exams. So this is a part of the ultimate guide to speed maths, the copies of which I am holding in my hand, and I am going to show you why all dodging tables are so very super easy. And when I tell dodging tables, I'm not going to restrict myself to numbers up to 20. I am going to go up to 99. And I'm talking about tables, not multiplication. Okay. So I'll show you how quickly we can learn dodging tables using some examples. And then I'll tell you how to get a copy of this amazing exclusive combo wherein your child can learn all these tricks, and these will be delivered to you right at your doorsteps. Okay. So friends, let's have some dodging tables. Here we have 24 times 7, 53 times 8, 74 times 9, 57 times 6. You know why I am taking big numbers? Because I want to demonstrate that even if the numbers are big, the dodging table trick, which I am going to tell you, still works. Now, after learning this, when you apply it to numbers from 11 to 20, you are going to be super comfortable. And you will say, oh, this was so easy. Why didn't I do it all this time? So let's quickly do this visualization. Okay. Now, when I say visualization, we don't have to use pen and paper. Okay. Because so many comments on my videos, people say, sir, it is like when you make a video, it is very easy to learn. But when you practice it, when you apply it, it is difficult. So I am going to actually apply it now. Okay. But I have to write here because I need to tell you what am I thinking. But if you understand what is going on, the video is super useful for you. Watch. Suppose somebody asks me what is 24 times 7. Now I'm thinking about my mind being a plain sheet of paper on which 24 times 7 is written. Okay. And then I have to visualize that I am doing 2 times 7 and 4 times 7. 2 times 7, 4 times 7. And I have to visualize these numbers 14, 2 sevens are 14 and 4 sevens are 28 in my mind. Once you visualize these numbers that I am watching a page where 14 and 28 are written, job done. Why? Because 14 and 28 is going to give you the answer. And just visualize that there is a plus sign in between, but add only the digit apart from the unit digit. So just add these. You have to visualize these. Okay, this is not a writing activity, this is a visualization activity. So 14 plus 2 is 16, right? So 16 and 8 will give you the answer for the question. Now all these things which I have written here, please make sure you are not writing it. Okay, this is a mental maths activity, and dodging tables up to 99 will be so easy for you if you know tables up to 9 only. So watch another one. 5 times 8 is 40, right? 3 times 8 is 24, right? So I am visualizing that I have a plus here and last digit is separated. 40 plus 2 is 42, followed by the 4, and I have the answer. 53 times 8 is 424. Likewise, I see if I don't write it. Now this is 63. So first number visualized, 63. 36. Now 6, 3, 3, 6. 3 added to 63, 66 and 6. Is it 666? Let's try. 7 nines are 63 plus 4 nines are 36. Separate this, add these, 6, 6, 6. Yes, I got it right. 74 9 times is actually 666. And likewise here, what are the numbers which you are going to visualize? 30, because 5 times 6 is 30 and 7 6 are 42. So 30, 42. 30 plus 4 2, 34 2, 342. See how quickly it works. 3 seconds is what it takes to visualize this and to tell the answer. Dodging tables will be super easy. So what was the number here? 30 plus 42. So last digit separated, 3 4 and 2, 342. Now all the more easier when you have the first number as 1. Like suppose somebody asks me what is 18 8s are or 18 7s are. See, 1 times 7, I have to visualize 7 only, this number. Only thing I have to do is 8 7s are 56. So 5 and the 6 separated gives you 12 and a 6, 126. This is how visualization works. And I tell you friends, this is the beauty of the speed maths books. You will learn such things which you have never learnt in school, which you will be paying in lakhs when you appear in your JEE or SSC, UPSC coachings and all. You don't require all that. You just need to be a little smart with numbers. So friends, get yourself a copy of the speed maths books and ensure that you have learned all these things right from the school level using the videos and the challenge zones and the illustrations given in the book. Amazing research based content. How do you get a copy of this speed maths books? Send me a message on WhatsApp. 9896369963 is the WhatsApp number, or you can use the Amazon links given in the description of this video to get yourself a copy. So friends, if you like this video of dodging tables, do share it with all your friends who are struggling in this. If you are a maths teacher, please do visualization in the school so that the children, they are comfortable in tables. So friends, do practice this and you have to let me know in the comments, is dodging table super easy? All the best.